guys, we're here in Agungi West Estate again. We're back down here now to do another installation of our remote control system for diesel generators. So stay tuned as we go and do our installation. Yes, we're done with the installation now. As you can see, this is our remote system from Plus Technology, and it has been installed. And as usual, this system helps you to make life easy. If you look at the complex or look at the compound we are in, you will see that from inside it can be a challenge to come right from inside. If you're upstairs, to be able to come down to switch on the generator, as you can see at the back, switch on the generator and then come down here to make or do the change over. So this system has erased or eliminated that challenge for you. And as usual, we'll just give a brief demonstration of how the system works again after installation. So I'm going to start the generator now and observe as the system comes on. So I'm starting the generator now. So I don't even need to face the remote down to it. Anyway you are even in the room, just press it. I clicked on it now. So observe, the generator will come on now. You see that the generator is up. So hold on for a few seconds and then the changeover engages and light is inside the house. So you see that, as always, this system makes life easier for you. It makes you reduce the amount of money you spend on diesel, because by the time NEPA brings the light or restores the light, the generator automatically goes off. That is after this one has switched to NEPA as well. So you see, life is much easier. You just need to call on us so that we can get the system installed for you, and then you get a simpler life for yourself. Thank you.